2020 Elantra Sport. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. It does have a touch. It's open. So if you notice inside, it's sports black leather seats with red stitching, and then with a carbon fiber stitching across the seats, stitching across the knob shifter. We have a 7-inch touch display, dual climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger. And if you can see, there's carbon fiber stitching all across the door panels and even the back seats. It's a leather wrap heated steering wheel with basic controls. So this is a push to start. So step on the brake.
767 or go to Stan Law.
As you can see, 7-inch touch display. You switch between a few things. So there's radio, satellite, and then Bluetooth, of course. Yep. Up in front, you have the tire pressure system, departure warning system, keep assist, attention levels, and just continues onward. It has 3 drive modes, as you can see. Sport, Smart, and Normal. Automatic windows, window lock, side mirror adjustment. We have the button to adjust the lighting in the car, blind spot monitoring, keep assist, lane departure, and traction. So we have paddles actually, sorry. And then sport paddles. Sunroof. It's very sunny today. Comes in handy, hot weather. This is the passenger seating in the back. As stated previously, carbon fiber along the... So I'm about 6 feet. I have my seat pulled all the way back and I fit here comfortably. Same stitching against the back. On the passenger side, it does have this net and cup holders. Pretty spacious. Good view. It drives very smoothly. I have the sunroof open, so if you hear any cabin noise, it's basically that. Besides that, it's very quiet in here. All you feel is the hum of the engine. I'm driving in sports mode right now, going about 30 miles per hour. Great steering. Honestly, I've had this car for a little bit over 2 weeks now. Have no complaints. It's amazing. Drives smooth. It's my first sports car. I'm going to be making more videos of me just driving around.